Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and style shapes, icons, and emojis. Let's start by opening a playlist. Let's add a new slide. In the top menu, I find Shapes, where I can choose a circle, rectangle, triangle, icons, and emojis. Let's pick a circle as our first example, and keep in mind that the rectangle and the triangle gives us the same options. I can move, resize, and rotate the shape. On the right side, I find Setting, where I have a couple of alignment tools. I can change the color, move it up and down the layers, rotate, change the position pixel by pixel, resize pixel by pixel. I can also add a shadow, change the X and Y axis and the blur for the shadow. Last, but not least, I can add a stroke, also known as outlining. Let's remove the circle, open Shapes, and find an icon. The icons you see here are all PNG files, so there is no background. Let's pick the heart. Now I can move it, resize it, and rotate it. In Settings, I have a couple of alignment tools. I can change the color, move it up and down the layers, rotate, change the position pixel by pixel, resize pixel by pixel. I can change the opacity of the icon, and I can add a shadow. Let's leave the heart on the slide, open up Shapes, and add an emoji. I can move it around, resize it, and rotate it. In Settings, I have a couple of alignment tools. If I open up the emoji library, I can find and add any emoji. Move it up and down the layers. For example, if I move my emoji over my heart, I can move it behind the heart and back. And I can rotate my emoji. That was all for today. Thanks for listening.